Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and today we having course Python for Data Science. In this course I am going to cover the week 4th assignment, 4th solutions. So if you didn't subscribe the channel until now, please subscribe it first and click the like button also and continue watching. So the first question is, which of the following are regression problems? Assume that appropriate data is given. So predicting the house price is the right one. So the option A is correct. Then come to the second question. Which of the following are multi-class classification problem? So multi-class in this option B is correct. Classify a person blood type A, B, AB or 0. Then come to the third question. If a linear regression model achieves zero training error, can we say that all the data points lie on a straight line in the feature space? So the right one is yes. Then come to the there is a 4 to 6. There is a case based questions problem statement. So the fourth one is, which of the following machine learning technique would not be appropriate to solve the problem? So the right one is linear regression. Then comes to the fifth one. Again, we having some sort of problem statement. So in this, after applying logistic regression, what is are the correct observation from the resultant confusion matrix? So from this, the option A is correct because true positive equals to 29 and true negative equals to 94. Then come to the sixth one. The logistic regression model built between the input and output variables is checked for its prediction accuracy of the test data. What is the accuracy range in percentage data? So accuracy range will be 90 to 95. Then come to the seventh one. How are categorical variable pre-processed before model building? So in this, dummy variables are the right one. Then come to the eighth. A regression model with the function y equals to 80 plus 4.5x was built to understand the impact of temperature x on ice cream sales y. The temperature this month is 10 degree more than the previous month. So what is the predictive difference in ice cream sale? So predictive difference is around 45 units. Option B. Then come to the ninth one. X and Y are the two variables that have a strong linear relationship. Which of the following statement are incorrect? So the incorrect one, there cannot be negative relationship between two variables. Then again we having a problem. Global happiness index report contains the happiness score data with multiple factors features. In these features like economy, family, health and freedom, then that could affect the target variable value. Prepare the data of the following, the steps given below, and answer question 10th. So for this, we have to solve the 10th one. So a multilinear regression model is built on the Global Happiness Index dataset DHI report.csv. So what is the RMSE of the baseline model? So RISE will be around 1.06 after solving. So again, subscribe the channel first and hit the like button, and thank you for watching because we have done this assignment. Submit the answers and मिलते हैं next week में, which is next week is week 5. So please subscribe the channel so that you can get the notification on time. And again, thank you for watching.